Welcome to the lighter side of the animal kingdom. Today, we're diving into the hilarious antics of nature's comedians. From crazy moves to silly behaviors, here are the top 5 funniest animals on the planet. Starting off at number 5 is the laughing hyena. Famous for their maniacal giggle, these animals use their laughter as a way to communicate. But don't be fooled. What sounds like a joke is actually serious business in the hyena world. They're also the ultimate pranksters, often outsmarting bigger predators to snag a free meal. Who knew dinner theft could be so entertaining? Next up, we have the masters of slapstick, pandas. These bamboo-loving bears are famous for their constant missteps, literally. Whether they're falling off trees or getting stuck in awkward positions. Pandas remind us that life's better when you don't take yourself too seriously. At number 3, we have the cheeky otter. These playful creatures are the comedians of the waterways, known for their endless games and mischievous nature. Whether juggling stones or sneaking snacks, otters know how to keep things fun. Plus, have you ever seen a cuter cuddle session? Taking second place is the wacky parrot. These vibrant birds are nature's ultimate impressionists, capable of mimicking sounds, words, and even laughter. From hilarious imitations to unexpected antics, parrots are guaranteed to make any room burst into laughter. And the title for funniest animal goes to the capuchin monkey. These mischievous primates are the ultimate tricksters, always pulling off some wild antics. From stealing snacks to playing pranks on each other, they're the life of the jungle and our screens. These creatures may not know it, but they've mastered the art of comedy. Nature isn't just about survival, it's also about finding joy in the unexpected. So next time you need a laugh, remember, the animal kingdom has got you covered. Which animal made you laugh the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep smiling. Like and subscribe for more.